I'm Dr. Gary Linkov, founder and medical director of City Facial Plastics. A common question that my patients ask is, what do I do about that extra fat under my chin? And there are a couple of options. One is to remove the fat with a chemical. There is one called Kybella, and that is definitely an option. Another one is to do something called cool sculpting, which many of you have heard of, for that same area, which can also help. The third option is to do submental liposuction. So liposuction, just like you would get in other parts of the body, can also be done under the chin into this neck area. It's a procedure that is performed under local anesthesia in the office or operating room setting. It's very safe, very well tolerated, and what's great about it is that it's very easy to control which areas are specifically targeted for the removal of the fat.